Alright guys, we got our new quad build here. And we're gonna go test a Maiden. Alright. Give that the arm. Alright, spins up. That's promising. Seems to be flying nice and smooth. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's really quiet compared to my other 5-inch. Try and do a little bit of acro. Works good. No prop wash either. I got some heavier batteries on it that I just ordered. It's flying good. Can't wait to tune it. But from the looks of it, it won't need too much. Default Betaflight PIDs are awesome. Alright, I don't have a battery beeper on here and I don't want to kill it. I know these motors are really power hungry, but anyway, that was a successful flight test.